Looking for a unique dessert for your Christmas tray? Enter Candied Orange Slices, a delightful concoction of sweetness and citrusy tang. Armed with just fresh oranges, sugar, water, and optional chocolate for dipping, you're all set. Let's dive into the process of creating these sweet and tangy treats. Begin by washing and slicing your oranges into thin slices. Now, we're going to give our citrus friends a little spa treatment. This involves boiling them in water. It's a neat little trick to remove any bitterness and soften them up. Once they're nice and tender, it's time to create our sugar syrup. Combine equal parts of sugar and water in a saucepan. Stir it over medium heat until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now comes the sweet part. Immerse the orange slices into this sugary bath, letting them simmer until they become beautifully translucent. It's like watching a sunset, but tastier. Once they've soaked up all that sweetness, it's time to let them dry. Lay them out on a cooling rack or parchment paper. Allow them to dry completely. It might take a while, but patience is key here. And voila! Your candied orange slices are ready. But wait, there's more. For an extra touch of indulgence, dip half of each candied orange slice into melted chocolate. Melt your favorite chocolate and gently dip each slice halfway. Though optional, this step elevates the flavor and aesthetics. Now, that's a dessert that will make your Christmas tray stand out. So there you have it, a sweet, tangy, and slightly indulgent dessert for your festive celebrations. In just a few simple steps, we've transformed ordinary orange slices into a delightful treat that's sure to impress. With its vibrant citrus flavor and touch of sweetness, it's the perfect addition to your Christmas dessert tray. Tempted yet? Give it a try and discover the joy of making candied orange slices at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!